Who was the chairman of the Constituent Assembly? Right answer is राजेंद्र प्रसाद. राजेंद्र प्रसाद संविधान सभा के अध्यक्ष थे. The first linguistic state of Andhra Pradesh come into existence on. Right answer will be 1st October 1953. 1953 को आंध्र का पहला भाषाई राज्य अस्तित्व में आया. The first speaker of Lok Sabha was. Answer is G.V. Mavlankar. G.V. Mavlankar लोकसभा के पहले स्पीकर थे. Constitution of India was adopted by Constituent Assembly on. Right answer will be 26 November 1949. भारत के संविधान को संविधान सभा द्वारा 1949 को अपनाया गया. Constitution of India came into effect from. Right answer will be 26 January 1950. 26 जनवरी 1950 को भारत का संविधान लागू हुआ. Who is the highest law officer of India? Right answer is Attorney General of India. भारत का सर्वोच्च विधि अधिकारी Attorney General of India है. Which act of India is also known as Morley Minto Reform? Right answer will be Indian Council Act 1909. Indian Council Act 1909 भारत के अधिनियम को मार्ले मिंटो सुधार के नाम से जाना जाता है. Who wrote the book The Spirit of Laws? Right answer will be Montesquieu. Montesquieu ने The Spirit of Laws पुस्तक लिखी. Which amendment is related to goods and services tax? Right answer will be 101st Amendment. In which of the following general elections electronic voting machines were used for the first time? Right answer will be 1982. 1982 के चुनाव में पहली बार ईवीएम मशीन का उपयोग किया गया था. Which of the following article deals with the election of the Vice President? Right answer will be Article 66. Article 66 उपराष्ट्रपति के चुनाव से संबंधित है. Who can remove the Vice President from his office? Right answer will be Parliament. Parliament उपराष्ट्रपति को उसके पद से हटा सकता है. The Indian Constitution closely follow the constitutional system of. Right answer will be UK. Which words were added to the preamble to the Constitution through the 42 Amendment Act? Right answer will be socialist, secular and integrity. 42वें संशोधन अधिनियम द्वारा संविधान की प्रस्तावना में ये 3 वर्ड्स जोड़े गए हैं. Who was the longest serving Prime Minister of India? Right answer is पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू. पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू ये भारत के सबसे लंबे समय तक सेवा करने वाले प्रधानमंत्री थे. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with all the executive powers of the governor? Right answer is Article 154. अनुच्छेद 154 राज्यपाल की सभी कार्यपालिक शक्तियों से संबंधित है. Which part of the Indian Constitution tells about Union Territories? Right answer is Part 8. भारतीय संविधान का भाग 8 केंद्र शासित प्रदेशों के बारे में बताता है. In which part of the Indian Constitution are the fundamental duties given? Right answer is Part 4A. भारतीय संविधान में मौलिक कर्तव्य Part 4A में दिए गए हैं. Who has supreme command over Indian security forces? Right answer is President of India. भारतीय सुरक्षा बलों पर सर्वोच्च कमान राष्ट्रपति को प्राप्त है. Who presides over the meeting in the Lok Sabha? Right answer is Speaker. लोकसभा की बैठक में अध्यक्षता स्पीकर करता है. If you like the video, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Bye bye.